How to disable notifications for the Prism AI app. So first, go ahead and open settings on your Android device. Then after a few moments, your screen should look something like this. Here at the top, you'll see a search bar. Simply tap on it and type in apps. After you type in apps, tap on the first option, then tap on manage apps, which is right below system app settings. Then you'll again see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in Prism. Then you'll see many options on your screen. Simply scroll down until you see an option called notifications. Then tap on it, and from here you can disable notifications for your Prism AI app. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.